Let it go down for the footy.
Yeah, I'm really liking this color. It's like just clear enough.
Like, so like where it kind of slow right there is where that like I used to stand on that rock that's right up there.
Yeah.
That middle seam is like carved out now.
Gotcha. Yeah, and there used to be a pile of stuff right there.
Yeah.
And that all got pushed.
What?
Should I try and wander out and around, or is it even possible to cross now?
If anything, I'd stay like on the tail end side.
Yeah. I don't have my spikes. You ran down this?
Yeah.
Dude, how did you survive? There it is! There it is! Yeah, buddy! It had to happen, baby. It had to happen.
Let it go down for the footy. Oh,
dude, that's a beast.
Holy.
Oh, no. Look at that. That is a beautiful fish.
Oh my god, dude.
No way. No freaking way, man. Heck yeah. On the White Death.
The White Death.
That's how it had to be, right? Beautiful fish, man.
Oh my god, dude. This thing's a tank.
Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh my god.
Holy crap, fish.
Should I release it up or keep it down?
I'd say let him sit in this pool. Dude, that is a stud. It's gonna make a lot of babies.
Dude, that thing was
I would nux you, but you know, like COVID.
My god, dude.
That was awesome. Yeah, right in front of you. That was wicked. You know, if you and I are going out, there's gonna be a fish on camera. Oh my god.
I bet you that was close to 30.
Yeah.
At least 27, 28.
Yeah. Ooh, this looks good right now. First to snag loses.
What are you in the Jeep?
I'm in the Jeep, yeah.
You're not the guy from Life Outdoors, are you?
I am, yeah.
Oh, really? The YouTube channel?
Yeah, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, that's, how'd you recognize that Jeep?
I just read the plate across the street. You were closing the gate and your license plate is up there. And just randomly, I'm like, it can't be like the same.
No way.
So I saw it. You know, I saw you when I drove by and I was like, it can't be the same.
We saw you drive by. I figured you were going to come over.
No, I was just being nosy, that's all.
That's too cool.
You know?
Yeah, appreciate that. Thank you.
Awesome.
Yeah,
I'm
that's,
on this channel too.
yeah, he's on there a bunch. So,
Any luck today?
Oh, I did.
yeah, he got a pretty one.
I would say 28 inches.
Yeah,
Steelhead.
full of eggs.
Really?
Yeah.
Just now? Today?
Yeah.
Like just, really?
Probably like hour and a half ago.
Yeah.
Well, that's pretty cool.
It was big.
You'll see it in like a couple days. It'll go up on the channel.
So as I walk away, you're gonna get like a shot of me, like that'll be the title of the next one, just harassed by the cops.
What was your name though? Nice to meet you.
You have a good one.
Yeah, appreciate it. You too.
Oh yeah.
People are like Oh, dude, you're the guy from Skyhawk for Outfitters.
Hey, you threw yourself in there.
Yeah, dude.
It's just funny that I said that we're about to get checked because I saw him roll by and then he actually came up here.